Marvel Contest of Champions Code. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'll show you new promo codes list of MCOC. So let's begin. First of all, let's launch a browser and let's make a quick search. And after that, you need to tap on more items and you will land on the section. So these codes are updated on December 22, 2024. So here are some of the new Marvel Contest of Champion codes such as Gorgeous, MCOC Welcome, The Hunter Free 7 Character, Alexander's MCOC Welcome Items, MCOC NY 24, Striker Spear, Darky's Back Alright, Nefarious, Glorious Reunion, and the expired are I Am Social, BBCB, Sinister J4, June 14 live stream, and many more. Here it is listed. What you need to do is simply you have to pause this video or take a screenshot to save this codes for later. Now, in order to redeem the code, you have to open Marvel Contest of Champions game. Go to the settings or redeem code section in the menu, enter one of the codes listed above and tap redeem. Your rewards will be added instantly if the code is valid. But you have to be aware of expired codes that are still circulating online. This won't work anymore. So here is the list. If you come across this, you simply need to skip them as they are no longer valid. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.